Hello and welcome to a brand new episode, and my name is Sarthak Kapoor from DIVida Videos. In this episode of Pokemon Go, I will tell you how you can play this game on PC without using any smartphone. Yesterday, I received an email from a viewer in France, and his issue was he is playing the game from a rural region in France, which is why he is not able to get proper access to GPS. This issue is with a lot of people and also those who don't have much Pokestops in their locality. This method will prove beneficial to them. Alright guys, so here we are on my PC and I will show you how you can play Pokemon Go on PC. You'll need two applications for this method and both of them are linked in the description down below. You can check it in the description and download right from there. The first one is the Nox app player, which I have installed already, and second one is the latest APK of the game Pokemon Go. So as I have already installed Nox app player, I will directly jump into it and show you the settings and all you have to do to play the game Pokemon Go. Okay, right here is the settings option, and as you can see, I have already installed Pokemon Go. I'll first make it full screen. Yeah. So here is the settings thing, and while you're in here for the very first time, you will see an option saying grant root access. Over here in the advanced section, you will find an option saying grant root access, and you will have root access to this emulator. Okay, then the performance setting, I would recommend it to keep it on high if you don't want the game to lag, and CPU at maximum and RAM at the maximum as well. Startup setting, I prefer phone, but it's up to your choice that you want to keep it at phone or tablet, and then you can select the resolution as well. Graphics rendering mode. This one is a bit important if you are facing any lag or any issues or crash down while playing the game Pokemon Go. You can just switch on the other one. For me, Speed DirectX have worked better than compatible OpenGL, and for most of the people, Speed DirectX is any day better for playing Pokemon Go on PC. So you can just give this one a try, and if it doesn't work, you can just try the other one. And the rest of the settings are just like that, and you don't need to do anything over there. Then click on Save Changes and close this window. And to install the game Pokemon Go, you can do two things. The first one is drag and drop the APK. For say the APK is here on your desktop, just click it and drag it down to the emulator, and it will ask an option to install. If it doesn't, you can do another thing, and that's go to File Manager and go to a certain location and paste that particular file, copy paste that particular APK file over here in Foresight download folder, and then you can install it by double clicking on that APK file over here. Once that's installed, you can just launch the game Pokemon Go, and you will see this thing right here, WSAD, and these are the buttons that you will need to move your character in the game Pokemon Go. These are basically like those buttons you use in any other PC game to move your character. The only difference here is the W button will take you only in the north direction, and the S1 will take you only to the south direction, no matter which direction your character is pointing out. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in South Mumbai at Marine Drive right now, and I can move my character. I'll show you a bit. I can also visit Pokestops, and okay, my bag is full, so I cannot collect anything. And the speed, they have kept it really slow, and it's like slower than the general walking speed, not even running I would say, or jogging. And they have kept it slow for a reason, that Niantic cannot detect if you are using a hack or not, and it feels like you are actually walking in that location, and so you are at a lower risk of getting banned. If you don't have a smartphone or you live in a locality where GPS is not good enough, you can just use this method on your PC and can enjoy the game Pokemon Go. I don't recommend using this method because the real fun of this game is with the friends outside, outdoor, and going and catching them all. But if you really want to play this game and don't have access to internet outdoor, or live in a place where you cannot have proper access to GPS, this is the method that can actually help you out to catch these Pokemon and have fun of the game. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if this method actually helped you, or you face any difficulties while using this method. Please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try my level best to help you out. Also, we will be posting a lot of videos on Pokemon Go, so please hit the subscribe button, and so that you will be notified each time we post a video about Pokemon Go.